Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer and my friends call me Miss DeWalt. In this video, I'll be unboxing, assembling, and showing you the DeWalt 13 amp electric cold water pressure washer. The model number is DWPW2400. Power through a variety of cleaning tasks with a 2400 max PSI and 1.1 gallons of water per minute. It can tackle just about any job or wash your vehicle with the accessories you need. So first, I'm going to open the box, show you, it looks like it has light assembly. I'll show you how to do that. I'll show you the contents, tell you about the key features, and I'll also include shots of me using this around different areas on my property. Okay, let's open her up. Okay, so there's a couple things right on here that I was going to tell you about anyway in the video. It looks like this product weighs 57 pounds. And I picked it up by myself, and you're not supposed to do that. You should have two people. And then it also goes through and it talks about the different nozzles that come with it and the angles, and then also that it is CETA certified. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue to open this. So right away, I'm hit with a stop sign. Before each use, bleed the pressure hose line of trapped air. Okay, so we will make sure that we do that. It is pretty heavy. These are the contents you'll find in the box. The DWPW2400 Pressure Washer, turbo nozzle, 15-degree nozzle, 25-degree nozzle, 40-degree nozzle, soap nozzle, spray wand, spray handle, and hose. Assembly looks very easy. As you'll notice, these supports right here have a hole in them. So you'll take this part, has those pins, and slide it into these pulls until it clicks. Okay, so here's the trigger, and then there's also a trigger lock right here. It is like a nice grippy handle, I like that. To put the wand together, just remove this plastic protective cap. See, on the inside of this wand, it has thread, so just thread these two together. Okay, now you're gonna connect the high pressure hose, and it does say to uncoil this before connecting to prevent kinks. There's a protective cap on this that can be removed. Okay, and now I'm going to connect this to the machine. It's super important when you are attaching these. I had a little trouble getting them started, and I looked at the manual and it's adamant about not cross-threading them because that will cause leaks. Here's where the garden hose hooks up. There looks like there's a strainer on there as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and test the Gfci to make sure it's working. Okay, so it did turn green, so we're good there. You wanna run the hose for about 30 seconds just to free it from any debris. Next, prepare the area by giving it a quick spray of water. I think it goes without saying you want to make sure that all windows and doors are closed. You want to make sure that you pull this part back, insert the tip, and release. You want to make sure that that's in there good. So per the manual, when you're using this wand, this part up here has grips, as you can see, because you need to hold this with two hands. And then before you begin, you want to, there was a little bit of air trapped in there and I heard it. Hopefully the camera caught that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, and if you can see this part just from me mowing, the grass blows against my pole barn, and it's just, over the years has like some black moldy looking areas, so that's what I'm gonna begin with first. done with the soap. Drain everything, and then that container will pop out. So this comes out and you just rinse it and then return it back to the well. To move this to another location, turn the power off, turn off the water, point the nozzle in a safe direction and pull the trigger. That will release the air pressure and then you can move it. To shut down the unit, turn it to off, unplug the power source, turn off the water, squeeze the trigger, engage the trigger lock, disconnect the garden hose. Okay, so I have thoroughly used this thing for several hours now. I washed my siding. It blasted the mud that was caked on off of my four-wheeler. I tried it out on my car on the wheels. I had a rocking chair that was really dirty, blasted everything off of that with ease. I really like it. I like the different attachments. I like that they're on here. This turbo one did have a tendency to kind of fall off because I did knock it a couple times. So that one I wish would clip in there better. And the only thing that I was not happy with, well, I don't even want to say I'm not happy with it. The only thing I would change, if I could design this, I would make this lock into like some kind of a holster, because as I was wheeling it around, that wanted to fall off. But the cords were nice and long. The wheels were great going over gravel, and when I had to move it around to different places just to film. If I had to give this a grade, I would have to say A-, and the only reason for that is because of this wand falling off. But it took care of the mold and everything. I really like this. I'm happy that I own it. I'm going to take the soap off of it and let everything dry overnight just for good measure. But yeah, like it and would recommend it. The 2400 PSI cold water pressure washer is backed by a 3-year limited warranty and sells for around $300. If you're interested in purchasing this product or any others offered by my affiliates, Ace, Acme, Amazon, or Tollnut, please check out the links in the description of this video. If there's anything I forgot to cover that you'd like to know, please leave it for me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram as well, so please find me there. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.